Good morning, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a little kind of a basic flip cup pour, but I'll just explain it as we go along. Well, I'm back from my holidays. I did mix up just a little bit of paint last night. We had a really good holiday for all those that were asking. It was nice and restful. Just quiet, didn't do anything too crazy. We visited our son on the Gold Coast in his new home and his partner. I delivered a couple of paintings to them, so I'm hoping that they send some photos to me and so I can put them up on the site on my Acrylic Art by Gillykube or the Australian Acrylic Pouring group, so I can show them you guys up on the wall. That was a very big one I did for my son. But anyway, without further ado, I'll start this little experimento that I'm doing. So this is the yellow, the Mont acrylic yellow, and I mixed this one only with Floetrol. It's got no silicone in it. It's just a little test that I've been doing of late, just mixing up the pouring mediums and seeing how they all turn out. So the rest is my normal mix of the Mont Clear craft glue at 30-70 ratio. All of my pouring medium and the link to my supplier in Australia is in the drop down box. And what else was I going to say? And yes, and all these paints are available on Amazon worldwide anyway, so you will find them there. So I've got to get myself back into all of this, sort of slowed down, I think. You know, you go away and you've kind of gone into a bit of a lull. So I want to come back and try and get myself motivated again. You're in holiday mode and then you kind of just sort of staying in that quiet, peaceful mode. So I had the brilliant red, orange, purple, and now just the yellow is mixed with the silicone, as I said before. So I will go back to the orange. So these are a nice bright colour, something bright and uplifting I needed, and as you all know, I love my bright and uplifting colours. I'm going to put a dash of, which one was this one? I think this was the violet, light, is it violet? Yeah, violet. So this is just another test I'm doing to see how it turns out with the layering, with the, tell you what, put some white in there, layering with the just Floetrol in between. I'm just going to see if it creates any nice lacing for me. That's just a bit of white, and then I might leave it at that. And the idea is that I'm going to flip those two cups, but, where is it? Okay, what I will do with my leftover purple is I'm gonna kind of flood the rest of the canvas around with the leftover purple. So hopefully those nice bright colours will really make this stand up just beautiful against the purple. Somebody's shouting out there, probably at my dog barking. Husband's calling Benson. Must be always dog problems. Well, they're not problems, it's just everyday life, but when you're filming, obviously you're kind of hoping that it'll be a bit quiet. Oh yes, I've got my canvas on my big Lazy Susan that I pinched off my barbecue table, so it's not going back out there now because I found this use for it out in my art room. As you do when you're an acrylic pouring artist, everything seems to end up in your art room. So it's lost to the art room, me big lazy Susan. Okay, do I want to just, well, that's a bit, oh my giddy-o. Maybe I'll take that one down the other way. Holy dooly. Oh, don't go off, I want you. Wowzers. Trousers, look at that. I wonder if I can keep any negative space. Holy dooly. I like having the colour in between like that. Look at those cells. This, unbelievable. Oh my goodness. I don't want to run any of it off. But you can't really leave it that thick on the canvas because it wouldn't, drying, it would just probably end up cracking because it's so thick. But I've got to do this really slow so I don't, look at this, it's like reptile skin of some kind. How strange. This one has showed that and this one's this, and they were both poured with the same colours in the same, just a different direction when I actually flipped them. So that is, wowzers, trousers. Oh my goodness, isn't that gorgeous? We've just got a little bit of colour in here. I'm gonna run that off too. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't want to run it anywhere. For whatever reason, my canvas is wonky. Be a bit like me, wonky. Okay, look at the colours, they're so vibrant. Holy dooly. Oh, I'm trying to keep this purple in here. So how will I gently do it that I don't lose too much of it? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So for my edges, I can finish off the edges after and just pour some of the, just paint some of the purple on there. Hello Benson, you come in to see Mommy. What's going on? Okay, that's gorgeous. I've got any paint, just gonna run this little bit paint off over the edges. So, oh, that is just lovely, 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 lovely. So there you go. What a fantastic flip cup is that. I don't even want to add any heat because I don't want cells popping up, but I do want to just burst the air bubbles, so I'll do it nice and high. That's it. Oh my goodness, look at those coming up in there though. Maybe just along there. Wowzers, trousers, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Can just slowly go around and do your very edges. Finger popping them with leftover paint is absolutely acceptable and it looks quite lovely. It's no drama. Are we done over there? Oh, just a little bit. That you can hear banging away is my fly net curtain on the door. This is gorgeous. I'm going to give you some close-ups in the photos and I'll try and give you a close-up now. That looks like something volcanic and the colours are absolutely stunning. I love it. Really love it. They are pop off the canvas gorgeous. Love it. Okay, let me know what you think, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Wait on till the end and I'll put the dried photos on for you. And of course, there'll be another video for you tomorrow. So I'm back from my holidays. I'm back, and hopefully get into... I've got so much stuff to... Pardon me. So much stuff to try. Products that I've been sent that I'm going to give just so much stuff I've got coming up in the coming weeks. So hope you'll all join me for that. And if you're a beginner, I do have beginners video there in the description box below. I've got a link to beginners videos, and I do have videos on varnishing, so it's all there. If you go to my actual YouTube channel and look in the playlist, you will find everything you're looking for. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Please stay safe and look after yourself, and then you'll be well enough to take care of others. Bye for now.